power dissipated in a conductor moved in a magnetic field. Okay, so dear students, we know that whenever some force is being applied, or we can say कि when जब भी हम किसी चीज़ को उठाते हैं, when we push it or pull it, right, some of our energy is dissipated. Similarly, when we hold anything or when we lift anything, some energy being dissipated, or we can say there are some power losses. So in case of electrical concept, if we talk about, when a conductor is moving in a uniform magnetic field, so in that case we know that some force is acting upon that conductor given by Fleming left hand rule. We have studied that if magnetic field is in this direction, V is in this direction, so force on the conductor is in this direction, right? So this force is being acted upon. So due to this force being acted upon, some power is dissipated in a conductor, and how this can be calculated we will study in this topic, right? We know that the power is given by P is equal to F into P, right? Now what is force? Expression for force we have just calculated on previous videos, that is given by F is equal to B I L. What is B? B is magnetic field, I is the current induced, and L is the length of the conductor. Okay, so putting this value in this expression, P is equal to B I L into V. Now we also know that EMF is given by BLV and I is given by EMF upon resistance. Now what is this resistance? Actually in this case, let us consider we are having arrangement in which this arm PQ can move freely in a crossed magnetic field, uniform magnetic field perpendicular to the paper directed inward. Okay, so let us consider the resistance of this arm is small r, and the rest of the other arms are having negligible resistance as compared to this arm resistance. Okay, so in that case the resistance of all other arms will be ignored and we are having only this resistance. So whatever the current is induced due to the motion of this conductor. So in that case I is equal to E by R. So E is R, B L V by R. Okay, so putting this value of I in this expression, here we come, P is equal to B I, instead of I will write B L V. Okay, B L V by R, and this L V is left, so L V. Okay, so we get B square L square V square by R. This is the power dissipated in a conductor when conductor is moving in a uniform magnetic field with velocity V. Okay, now what if we are moving the conductor mechanically in a uniform magnetic field? So let us calculate the power dissipated in that case when this conductor is moving mechanically, is pushed mechanically in a magnetic field. In that case power is given by I square R. Okay, so I, we know that this is I is BLV by R, so this is B square L square V square by R square into R, so that comes out to be B square L square V square by R. So again you can see that the power dissipated is same in both the cases, means either it is pushed mechanically or it is moving due to the force of the conductor. So from this we can clearly says that ki whatever is the power dissipated is actually lost in the form of heat or mechanical energy. So this is all about the power dissipated in a conductor.